Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blank. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into settings and tap on location section instead. Then manage it thanks to this switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!